This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 24.4 is a Class A RV. It is located in Mims, Florida, 32754 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Mims. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 42 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 24.4 is built on a Ford E-Serie chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.